who wrote this book? Eric Carle. And the book's name is The Very Quiet Cricket. I see a sun here and a very tiny cricket. So, one warm day, from a tiny egg, a little cricket was born. Welcome, chirped a big cricket. So here is a big cricket. Look here, the big cricket. Rubbing his wings together. So cricket, they rub their wings together. Oh, and that's make the sound we hear. The little cricket wanted to answer. So he rubbed his wings together. But nothing happened, not a sound. So first, the little cricket made a big cricket. So on the other page here, look at this one. So he made another insect. Good morning, wheezed a locust. Here, this one, this locust. Spinning through the air. The little cricket wanted to answer. So what did he do? He rubbed his wings together. But nothing happened. Not a sound. It looks like a mantis, right? Hello, whispered a praying mantis. So mantis are predator. Scraping its huge front legs together. Look at the huge front legs here, right? The little cricket wanted to answer. So he rubbed his wings together. But nothing happened. Not a sound. So let's turn the page. On the ground there is an apple. So, good day, crunched a worm. Where is the worm? Here, look. Here, the worm is here. The little cricket wanted to answer. So what did he do? He rubbed his wings together. But nothing happened. Not a sound. Let's turn the page again. Oops, on this page, look. Here. It's another bug. Let's see. Who's that? Hi, bubbled a spittlebug, slurping in a sea of froth. Oh, so these are called froth. They look like some kind of foam, bubble. These bugs love to stay in there. The little cricket wanted to answer. So what did he do? He rubbed his wings together. But nothing happened. Not a sound. He's been trying, right? Let's see. Turn the page. On this page, see, there's another bug on a tree branch. So let's see who's this. Good afternoon, screeched a cicada. Oh, that's here. This is called cicada. Clinging to a branch of a tree. Look here. Crawling, right? Holding a branch with all its legs here. So, the little cricket wanted to answer. And he rubbed his wings together. But nothing happened. Not a sound. Let's turn the page. On this page, look how beautiful. Bumblebee and flower, purple flowers. How are you? Hummed a bumblebee. Flying from flower to flower. The little cricket wanted to answer. So he rubbed his wings together. But nothing happened. Not a sound. See, good evening, reared a dragonfly gliding above the water. So it wasn't flapping its wing, it was gliding. When they don't flap and go like this, that is called gliding. The little cricket wanted to answer. He rubbed his wings together. But nothing happened, not a sound. Oh, good night, buzzed the mosquitoes, dancing among the stars. The little cricket wanted to answer. He rubbed his wings together, but nothing happened, not a sound. What does it look like? Oh, that's a different type of creature, right? Let's see, who's that? A Luna moth sailed quietly through the night. The cricket enjoyed the stillness. Oh, that's a Luna moth. So moth, some of the moths, they look like butterfly. So butterflies are mostly busy in daytime and moths are busy at night time. So it didn't say anything to the little cricket, and little cricket liked it. So here, look, the moth and the cricket is here. As the Luna moth disappeared silently into the distance, the cricket saw another cricket. Oh, so there is another cricket over here. Yeah, she was a quiet cricket too. Then he rubbed his wings together one more time. And this time, you know what happened this time? Let's see, let's turn the page and see what. He chirped the most beautiful sound that she had ever heard. Oh, so this time he did it, right? He chirped the most beautiful sound that she, the other cricket, had ever heard. So it was really beautiful. So finally, the little cricket was able to make a sound. So here, the end of the book, here, look. Those two crickets are together now. So the little cricket has been trying to make a sound, but he couldn't, right? But he didn't stop trying to make the sound. And finally, when he found another little cricket, right, he was able to make a sound, and that was the most beautiful sound that other little cricket had ever heard. So we have seen so many different kind of insects. So that's all for today. See you next time. Bye bye.